Hi students, today we shall be doing our next chapter, chapter number 4, Father's Help, written by R.K. Narayan. Before we read the chapter and discuss about it, let us do pre-reading task. Here some of the questions have been asked. First question is, have you ever experienced Monday morning blues? Blues means something that annoys you, scares you, or you become sad. Monday morning blues represents the day after holiday. Sunday is a holiday and after Sunday Monday comes, and some of the children, they are scared of going or they feel very annoyed when they go to school on Monday. So it is a Monday morning blue for them. The next question is, suppose you do not wish to go to school someday. Sometimes it happens with you people. Do you pretend to have headache? Do you tell your parents that you do not have any important class? Do you tell your parents the truth? Or you make some other excuse? So these are some of the questions around which our whole story revolves. Now read the story, students. Swami got up on Monday with a shudder. Shudder means a kind of shaky feeling. On Monday, Swami got up with a kind of shaky feeling. He had to go to school, but he wasn't willing to go there. He told his father that he was having a headache. His mother generously permitted him to stay at home. He also told his mother that there were no important lessons going on in the school. While Swami was lying on the bench in mother's room, father entered the room and asked him the reason behind not getting ready for the school. He gave his father also the same excuse of having a headache. Father scolded him badly. Scolded means something said in anger. Some words when somebody says in anger. So he said a number of words in anger and asked him to get ready for the school. Swami knew that his father was stubborn. Stubborn means a kind of behavior that doesn't change, a stick. Swami's father was a stubborn by nature, means he wasn't going to change his behavior. He remained strict to his behavior. So he changed. Swami changed his tactics and gave a lurid account of his teacher. Lurid here, a false statement. Meaning of lurid is giving false statement. So Swami gave false statements, false accounts of his teacher Samuel, that he is very violent, especially with boys who came late to his class. He made a shocking account of beating by Samuel to his father. Swami hoped that with this he would be made to see that he couldn't go to his class late, but his father's behavior took an unexpected turn. He decided to send Swami late to Samuel's class as a kind of challenge. He wrote a letter of complaint and asked Swami to hand it over to his headmaster. When Swami inquired about it, his father told that he had written about Mr. Samuel. Swami was aware that he had given wrong description of his teacher. Means in the heart of hearts he was knowing that whatever he had said was wrong, was not all true about his teacher. Mr. Samuel was a jovial person. Jovial means a generous person, a kind person. Samuel was knowing, but it was true that he beat students. That also Swami had heard from his fellow students. He hadn't experienced himself. Swami was feeling that he was the worst Pajra on the earth. Pajra here means a person who made some false statements. So he was feeling that Swami was also feeling that whatever he said, whatever statements he made were false. His conscience bothered him. Conscience means his inner feelings. Feelings in the heart bothered him. Bothered means made him tense, made him worried. So he wasn't at all sure that if he had been accurate in his description of Samuel, he could not decide how much of what he said was imagined and how much of it was real. He was confused. He did not want to give the letter to the headmaster. Swami thought that it would ruin Samuel's reputation. Ruin means destroy. He knew that when any of the complaints comes to the headmaster, his teacher's reputation would surely be ruined, would surely be destroyed. The headmaster would dismiss him and police would take action against him. He was angry with his father. Even once he tried to fling the letter into the gutter. Fling means to throw. He tried to throw the letter into the gutter, but the thought of his father's unreasonable and stubborn nature stopped him. Loaded with these thoughts means his head was full of thoughts. When Swami entered the school, he resorted that he would not give the letter immediately, but at the end of the day. Samuel was teaching arithmetic when Swami reached the class. He was half an hour late. Samuel inquired the reason behind being late. Swami told that he had a headache and hoped that he would be attacked now. He prayed, God, please make Samuel beat me. But to his ill luck, Samuel said nothing. Samuel asked Swami for his homework, but he again gave excuse of headache. Samuel remained calm. The last period was of history. Swami asked with his loud voice a question. Why didn't Columbus come to India, sir? Samuel said that he lost his way. He was calm that time. Swami was speaking very loudly. Samuel ordered him to shut up and sit down. But Swami just wanted to irritate him so that he could get chance to justify his letter. Finally, Swami's idea worked. Samuel got irritated by his irksome behavior. Irksome means a kind of undesirable behavior. Enraged in anger means full of anger. He shouted at Swami. He took out cane from his drawer. Cane means a stick, wooden stick, from his drawer and gave him 3 wholesome cuts on each palm. Swami, instead of feeling pain, was thrilled. Thrilled means was very happy. He hopped. Hopped means jumped on the platform joyfully. He took out the letter lying in his pocket and ran to the headmaster's room. He found the door of the office locked. He asked the peon, "Where is the headmaster?" The peon replied that the headmaster had taken the afternoon off and gone on leave for a week. His new assistant was Samuel. Swami could not give the letter to Samuel himself, so he came back home. His father, on seeing the undelivered letter in his hand, called him coward. He snatched the letter and threw it in the dustbin. So this is all about the story Father's Help, wherein Swami uttered a whirlpool of lies for what he uttered lies? For not going to school. So we get lesson from this story, students, that we should not utter lies to our parents. Whenever you are not willing to go to school, you are feeling something wrong, you say straightway to your parents that this thing has happened, I can't go to school. Instead of telling lies, you can tell the truth. As you see, as you have read in the chapter, that by uttering a number of lies, Swami was caught in his own web. He was in trouble, a lot of troubles in the end. So if you want to avoid troubles in life, be always honest and true to your parents and elders. Thank you, students.